Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti, kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So, our video for today is this one, the cat. Because I've been in the kitchen doing some dishes and she kept bothering me. I thought he's hungry or what. So, what I did is I told to Cliff maybe he's hungry, so I did, because he just eat chicken and pork. He's a spoiled baby boy for us. And then he always crying. I don't know what's going on, so I cannot give him anything because he is already eating a pork. And then last night he ate chicken or leftover. So it's just like crying, like something wrong for him. But I decided I get some shampoo because I'm trying to clean the seat or the kitchen, trying to clean up now. Then I just decided to get the shampoo that Sahira used to cut. So he's different, guys, always crying like crazy. He wants my attention. So what I did, because if he's in the living room, he just bothered my partner, Philip. He just bothered him. And he want to go out and do everything that he just what he call that he got attention. So what I did is I decided I just put the shampoo in the CR, and then he just crying like a baby, meow 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 meow, like that. So what I did now is I bring here in the room, and I said maybe he want to go to sleep with me because every afternoon we go to sleep. So yeah, so now we are in the room on this moment, July 16. So because I don't have videos, so I just get this video. So what he did, this is his favorite favorite blanket, the towel of Sahira, and then he used this one for sleeping. But this kind of cat, guys, is we adopt this one when we are in. So back to the story. So I never thought that she want to come with me in the room to sleep. So now look at, I will be lie down here, he will go to sleep, and he will get out, I think, when Sahira come back home. He is tired now. Look at the face, gonna sleep. If you want love, that's what he like. So he is a spoiled baby to us. And every night, guys, when Sahira, the kids is what you call that, do some crazy stuff. Sahira get his nebulizer because he have cough. And then next night, Sahira grabbed the vacuum for the bed, and he don't like the sounds of the vacuum and nebulizer. So every time he saw the nebulizer, he just panicking and try to ignore us, and I don't know, he's really upset with that. So from that time, that night, he just remember. So he just what you call that, he don't like that one will be happen again. So He just ignore us and he don't like to sleep with Zahira. But every what you call that, every morning, like 4 o'clock or 3, 4, like that go down. He just go to Zahira and sleep with Zahira in the neck. So yeah, this is our boy. This is our baby. Look at, oh, we just want to sleep and he's crying like crazy. Meow, meow. No? So he's sleeping na guys. So this one here is the box. So this is an empty box that he can go inside for nighttime. This is the hiding spot. So they just look at. Yeah, I know this is yours. Yeah, this is a hiding spot. Here, room. You go sleep na. You sleep na. Oh, why I touch that one? You wake up na. Come on. Sleep. Sleep no. So he just what you call that? A spoiled brat. Hindi na, lie down na, lie down na. Dara. Mas lay down na si mama. I-turn off ng light ni mama, okay? Turn off ng light. Okay? We just wait until he will be back. He's eating. That cat, we found that one in, oh, he's the one found that one and he adopted. And now, we used to go to sleep with him. So, that's our life. Every night, we have a cat in the bed. But he never go out. He will go outside, but he will not stay very long. Come on, lie down already here. Come on, come on. Lie down now. And he's back. This is a pen. You want to write something? You want to write something? Huh? Hindi, lie down na. This is ball pen for writing. Do you love your mama? So he's not only a cat, guys. He's our baby. Our youngest baby boy. And we have a youngest baby girl. Is what you call that? Puchi. Asa man ka? You sleep here. Gina, we go sleep na. Matulog na ko dara. Gina, sige na. It's different happiness if you have a cat, like animals in the house. So it's make you happy, like now that you want to go to sleep with me. So that one is a hair tie, guys. We put her neck because the other one that I make, we just take it off. Okay, I will turn off the light. Okay. So I will wait until when he go to sleep. Sleeping na guys. So good night na guys. I just bring me here to sleep. Yeah. So I know better. I know better because I'm a mother. I'm sleeping. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, she's sleeping still. After she bother me. After he bothered me. This is now her lock.
Thank you.
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali. Magpasalamat at patuloy na magpakatatag. Lagi nating isaisip, happiness is a choice. Let's choose to be happy. Walang take two sa buhay, kaya piliin mong maging